The following segment is sponsored by Utah Facial Plastics. One of our favorites from Utah Facial Plastics is here today. Alfie, you're joining us, and you're always helping us keeping fresh, looking young, right?
You guys make it easy.
Yes. Oh my gosh. We just love you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, and thanks to something called Sculptra. So is this a new filler, or has this been around for a while?
It's been around for a little while. This is more, instead of the HA fillers that we use, like Voluma and all those, and Juvederm, this is like the foundation. So this restores the volume that we lose in our face as we age. Like, right in here.
Is this going to get rid of my jowls?
Yeah,
Alfie,
it helps with jowls. Yeah.
Stop it. Stop it. Okay,
everything shakes right here.
Why would someone use this instead of a regular, or do you use both together? They do different things?
Yeah, they do different things. So this restores the volume. The other one sculpt it. So this is like the foundation, like the framework of a mattress. It like pops that back out.
Okay, who's a good candidate for it?
Anybody that has like lost that volume. So 30s, 40s, I mean, in anybody. Really, it's best to just come in and get a consultation, but a lot of people could use Sculptra just to like enhance or like restore what you've already lost.
Sure. I feel like a consultation is so important. We're looking at some photos right here because look at that. Everyone looks different, right? And you may think, oh, I just want filler here, but really you may be like, actually, this is a better option. You don't need it because you know it'll look natural and help.
Right. Yeah, and you want to restore it naturally. You don't want to look too round, and this takes a series of treatments, so you kind of do it slowly over time. So you have to be patient with Sculptra. It's totally worth it. It lasts longer. It lasts about 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. That was my next question. How long do most fillers last?
Usually about a year.
A year, and
this one's 2 to 3 years. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like you do a series of them, and then you have a couple years. You do a little bit of maintenance.
In between. Can you combine it with other things like Botox? And,
absolutely.
Do you have to separate those appointments?
Yeah. You do. Well, Botox you can do it the same day.
Yeah.
But HA fillers you do it another day.
Okay, so I'm going to ask the question, does it hurt, and are there any risks involved?
So we do numb you. It's actually pretty tolerable. We don't even use needles. We use cannulas to help prevent swelling and bruising. There's the same risks, like technique is important. You know, you need to go to someone that you trust, and education is important. So we're having these really great events coming up. We're having one in Layton on November 5th and one in South Jordan on the 7th.
Okay.
So people can call our office. It's going to be a night of dinner. We're teaming up with Galderma, who's going to be there to educate. We're going to do some fun giveaways. It's going to be awesome.
Well, and I think that most important thing is to trust somebody that's a professional. It always scares me hearing about these places that are just adding on these services for you when you need to go to a board-certified plastic surgeon and professionals like you guys.
Yeah, cheap. It's like cheap in sushi. Cheap in Botox and cheap in filler don't belong.
It's your face. You need to make sure you're taking care of it and putting it in the right hands. Okay, so where can people get more information about you guys?
So our website, www.utahfacialplastics.com, or call our office, 801-776-2220.
And follow their Instagram page, Utah Facial Plastics. They're always doing deals and giveaways, and it's so fun to get ideas, and you can see like the latest and the greatest on there. I love it.
And do what you want, right? Whatever makes you feel good. You guys are here to help.
And I'll tell you no if I need to.
That's what we love about you. Alfie, thank you so much for joining us today.
Good to see you guys.